my car. And this is over 1,000 air refresheners that are about to go into this car. I'm gonna be opening the air refresheners and putting them inside my car. This is 1 air refreshener. This is 20 air refresheners.
This is 70.
This is 100 more. This is over 200 air refresheners. Damn. We got 354. We got 350 more. This is 300 more. We started to do too much labor work, as you can see. So we just decided to cut it open and just throw it with the bag.
Oh, not in there.
That's like 200.
Guys, please hope this is torture.
We got another 300. 200 more. 300. Here we got 300 more. Here we got like 10,000 more. Oh shit. So the whole purpose of this video is I want to see what's stronger, air refresheners or these bangers of smelly things. We got a stink surprise, we got wet farts, we got the OGs fart bags, and we got the smell from hell. So I just want to see if this is stronger than that. First things first is I'm gonna smell inside the car to see how strong it is, how good it is, if it's even good. Oh shit!
I can smell it.
That shit's hella strong.
I can smell it through here, bro.
That shit's strong. Oh, fuck.
I'm gonna test it out. It's not that bad. Probably because I had this one. So much stuff. Okay, yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, we're gonna put this back on.
Oh! Damn, yeah, it's not that bad. Yeah, guys, this is like, I don't know how much ever freshen it is, but we didn't want to do a lot of labor work, so yeah, we just cut them open and put them in. Yeah, boom, boom. Look, they're chilling out there, smelling the good air. Meanwhile, I'm out here. Oh, that's strong, bro. I'm out of here. What's stronger, the air refresheners? Because it smells pretty good, but it makes you feel lightheaded, so don't try this at home. Or the fart bombs. We all know the OG fart bombs. So we're gonna pop it, and we're gonna see if it even makes a difference or what's stronger. Oh shit. Oh fuck! That's a bad idea. Oh, that shit landed on me. Oh.
It said it shouldn't come contact with your skin.
It shouldn't? Hide behind it. My car! I didn't. Wow, I really didn't think about that. Are you smelling it? Oh, damn. Oh, damn. No, you can smell it. Weak ass. Oh, no, man. No, that's deadly. That's deadly. Oh, bruh. Oh, bro, no. Hell no. It smells like ass. It's in the back. That's bad. Oh my god, nah.
To go with the fart, we're gonna go with wet fart.
Wet farts. Let's see, bro.
Don't spray it at me! Hey!
Can you smell it?
Yeah! You put it on my head!
Oh, fuck! Oh, hell no. I'm out. Next, we got stink surprise. Break one of the glass vials in a well-ventilated outdoor area. A bad smell spreads out, but soon disappears. Here is the vial smell, and I'm gonna crack it with the wet farts. Alright guys, it didn't work. It didn't work out.
Guys, that turned out to be a fail.
Next one is the smell from hell. Just by the name, you already know this shit fit the smell. That way, it'll get in the car. I mean, on the car. It gets on the air fresheners. You smell anything?
No. I'm just getting ready to walk out and put this on.
You'll smell that? Oh, no, man. Smell that. Let me spray that shit on you there.
No, you can't. It says you can't do that.
I think I'll spray that at you for real.
Oh. Stop!
Smell that shit.
Ah, you got on my pants.
Oh, shit. That is going to be it for today's video. The whole purpose was just to put a bunch of air freshener inside the car and see if the smell products that I had, what wins against it. I think it's 50-50, but do not try this at home. It did make us feel lightheaded in the process. Yeah, like the smell, it messes you up, but we're just built different.
Up next up, subscribe to this channel, man.